Hyderabad International School. Hyderabad International School.
Have Fahad Farooqi of PP2 Section E for achieving Khirat and Master Recognition Award. Khirat and Master Recognition Award goes to Fahad Farooqi, PP2 Section E. Congratulations, Fahad, for your wonderful Khirat. Next we have English Proficiency Award, Musfira Amal, PP1 Section D. Musfira Amal, English Proficiency Award. Congratulations, Musfira. Celebration of spirit, young and old. With every step, a memory is made, marching together in perfect parade. March past showcases discipline, unity, integration, and confidence. You can see our captains holding school flag, vice captain, vice president of school leading the march past with forwarding march past. Along with them, we have our exceed message of the school, Hyderabad International School, and we have our greenhouse. Green is the symbol of peace, unity, and coordination. A heading we have our orange color. Orange represents energy, vibrancy, and enthusiasm, which are essential for athletes to perform at their best. It symbolizes warmth, excitement, and playfulness, creating a lively atmosphere in sports. Orange house is leaded with the green house, which represents nature, harmony, and balance, which are essential for athletes to perform at their best. It symbolizes growth, renewal, and freshness, reflecting the constant pursuit of improvement. All houses, along with our national flag and school flag, have completed the forwarding march past and waiting for representing the house group separately with their house flags. A huge round of applause, audience, for our talented students of MP. Here on field we have our students of White House. White is the symbol of purity, cleanliness, and innocence, reflecting the fair play and sportsmanship values in sports. It's a neutral color symbolizing impartiality and equality, which is essential in sports competitions. It represents clarity, focus, and mental sharpness, helping athletes concentrate and perform at their best. Now our students are getting ready for the formations. Dear parents, please put your hands together for the wonderful moments, pattern formations. Let's wait and see what our students have brought up the treasure for us. Our today's drill, we are going to represent the beauty of our nation, India. Along with it, we are also focusing on our school's concept. Hyderabad International School is an international school that focuses on students in Deen and Dunya. The concept of exceed helps the students to achieve academic success in all the aspects, and the concept of Deeniyat Tajweed is preparing them for the world hereafter. An excellent message through march past is displayed. Any guesses, parents, which formation it is? Any guesses from parents' side? wonderful coordination, and a beautiful view and displayed, and our talented girls. Please give a huge round of applause. Very well, girls. Wow, what a quick turn it was. Well done, well showcasing and displayed shows the hard work and continuous practice you have done since last 2 months. A great salute to your courage and spirit you're showing on the field is a symbol of your coordination, your understanding and your talent you're showcasing. We are truly blessed to have such talented students in our school. Give a huge round of applause and a credit goes to the teachers who are working tirelessly since last 2 months behind them. Here we can see our orange house is moving ahead with national flag along with the white house, blue house and green house leading with the forwarding march past. Forwarding march past is an essential component of any sports day or ceremonial event. It showcases the unity and discipline of the participating teams, schools, organizations. It also allows the students to display their pride and identity, promoting a sense of belonging and loyalty. Our captains are showcasing the pride of the nation along with our school flag. Very well done, students. We are really very proud of you all. Dear audience, you can witness the symbol of unity, harmony, and peace on the field. Continuous resounding claps to be done for them. Very well done, students. You truly deserve a great round of applause.
हम बुलबुलें हैं इसकी ये गुलसितां हमारा
Exceed Group symbolizes international curriculum followed in our school. We want your kids to be a shining star in this world. Not only modern methodologies, but also Islamic education is provided here. We want your kids to be a shining star hereafter.
यूनान और मिस्र और रोमा सब मिट गए जहां से अब तक मगर है बाकी नामो निशान हमारा कुछ बात है कि हस्ती मिटती नहीं हमारी सदियों रहा है दुश्मन दौरे ज़मां हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा हम बुलबुलें हैं इसकी ये गुलसितां हमारा
ओ देश मेरे तेरी शान पे सदके कोई धन है क्या तेरी धूल से बढ़ के तेरी धूप से रोशन तेरी हवा पे जिंदा तू बाग है मेरा मैं तेरा परिंदा है अर्ज़ी दीवाने की जहाँ और सुहानी देखी एक रोज वही मेरी शाम हो कभी याद करे जो जमाना माटी पे मर मिट जाना जिक्र में शामिल मेरा नाम हो ओ देश मेरे तेरी शान पे सदके कोई धन है क्या तेरी धूल से बढ़ के तेरी धूप से रोशन तेरी हवा पे जिंदा तू बाग है मेरा मैं तेरा परिंदा अपना है दिल ये आज का दुनिया से जाके बोल दो ऐसे जागो रे साथियों दुनिया की आंखें खोल दो लहरा दो सरकशी का परचम लहरा दो गर्दिश में फिर अपनी सरजमी का परचम लहरा दो ए वतन जाने मन जाने मन जाने मन
ए वतन ए वतन ए वतन जाने मन जाने मन जाने मन
वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तो
ए वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू
मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तो
मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू
ए वतन मेरे वतन
ए वतन मेरे वतन
इंडिया शक्ति दे हो शक्ति दे इंडिया शक्ति दे हो शक्ति दे इंडिया शक्ति दे हो शक्ति दे इंडिया
What a beautiful performance you have done.
Exceptional performance. Look how our girls are representing the beauty of India along with the beauty of our school, HIS, Hyderabad International School.
कुछ करिए नस नस मेरी खोले हाय कुछ कुछ करिए कुछ करिए कुछ करिए बस बस बड़ा बोले अब कुछ करिए ओ कोई तो चल सिद्ध पढ़िए तुम बेतरिए या मरिए हाय कोई तो चल सिद्ध पढ़िए तुम बेतरिए या मरिए चक्रे हो चक्रे गिंडिया चक्रे हो चक्रे गिंडिया चक्रे हो चक्रे गिंडिया चक्रे हो चक्रे गिंडिया कुछ करिए कुछ करिए नस नस मेरी खोले हाय कुछ करिए
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात
We request parents to please stand on your places for the respect of our country. National anthem is going on. We request you all to please stand.
जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Thank you, parents. Thank you. A huge congratulations to all the students for your exceptional performance in the march past. Your coordination, discipline, and team spirit were truly remarkable. The precision in your movements, the synchronization, and the enthusiasm you displayed reflected the hard work and dedication you have put into your training. You showed great unity and pride, making the event an unforgettable experience for everyone. Keep up the fantastic work. Your commitment and teamwork are an inspiration to all of us.